morning. The topic for our group is Interplanetary File System. The short form is IPFS. There are three members in our group. They are Pritish Samantha, Shreyas Khan, Anchit Agarwal. We have prepared an implementation which will be using the IPFS system. We will be uploading files and we can view them in the IPFS network. So for this project, we are using React for our front end and the Truffle framework. The Truffle framework is used for compiling our Solidity smart contracts, which will be compiled into JavaScript, which will be deployed so that it can be used in the web browser. We will also be using Ganache, which allows us to run the blockchain network locally. So as you can see, all the accounts in Ganache have 100 Ether balance. All of these are in the test network and not the main net. So we will be importing one of these accounts through the private key into the wallet. The wallet we'll be using is MetaMask. And yeah, we can proceed with the demo. In the code, we are using, let's show the code once. Yeah, in the code, we are using Web3, which is a library which allows us to interact with the Ethereum blockchain through HTTPS. We have also created the smart contract for uploading the files. As you can see, the smart contract has the attributes file type, file name, file description, and all the necessary attributes. And we are emitting an event after the file is uploaded. We are also checking for the length of the file attributes to make sure that the correct file is uploaded. Yeah, we can proceed with the demo.
So I will be showing the demo. First, the let's start the React server. Finally, our local server started. Now we are going to connect blockchain to the MetaMask to make it a blockchain browser. The next thing which we need to do is we need to import an account from import a test account from Ganache server. So we have to copy paste the private key. We have to import an account. So as you can see, this 0xe962 and 0xe962. So we are going to connect this. So this account is active right now, but in order to connect, we need to use the command truffle migrate. This will compile and deploy the smart contracts. It has finally started compiling. Okay, so the smart contract is now deployed. So as we can see, the address here, which is 0xe962, if we go to Ganache 0xe962, also the balance is reduced from 100 to 99.98. This is the reduction in this price is due to the gas price. Every account needs to pay gas price in order to be deployed on the Ethereum network. Now we are going to choose a file to upload to the IPFS. We press upload. Okay, we also need to put a description. Upload. Now the MetaMask is going to ask us confirmation. We will confirm it. So our transaction is completed. As the as we can see, the information which we display on the website is, first of all, the name, the description, the type, the size of it, date, and hash view and upload view. Hash view gives us, this is the image which was uploaded on the IPFS. The hash for this image is this. It's .ipfs, so it means it's coming from the IPFS server. And I think this is the implementation.
We can also view the transaction which is in the uploader view. So as you can see, it's available in the Etherscan website. And we saw that there's no ethers transfers, only the file was transferred. And if you see the address, it's the same address that we had used in the Ganache network. So this was our implementation.
Thank you.
Thank you.